Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I have brought you the recipe of chocolate brownie. So let's get started. Here I took a bowl with 120 grams of dark chocolate, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of amul fresh cream, 20 grams of butter. We will melt it on double boiler or you can melt it in microwave too. So here you can see I have melted all our ingredients. Now we will let this mixture cool for some time. Now here I took another bowl. I am adding 1/4 cup of condensed milk in it. Now we will whisk it well until it becomes light in color. Now you can see I have whisked it for 10 minutes. Now I am adding 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. We'll mix it again for 10 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of amul fresh cream in it. Mix it again. Now I have added the chocolate mixture in it and I have placed a sieve over it, and I have added 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 cup of maida. Sift them well. Now I have sifted them. Now we'll mix it well. Now you can see our batter is ready, but it's some more thick. So now I will add 4 tablespoons of amul fresh cream in it to adjust its consistency. Mix them well. I have mixed all the ingredients well. Now here is half cup of walnuts that are coated with maida. Now we will mix it well. So I have transferred it into a mold which was greased and dusted. We will cook it for 35 to 40 minutes in a preheated kadhai. So after 35 to 40 minutes, I am opening the lid. Wow, you can see the brownie is so much nice looking. Now I am checking it. You can see the knife is clean. Yep, still clean. So our brownie is ready. So after resting it for 30 minutes, I have demolded it. You can see how much nicely it is cooked. Now we will do its icing. So here is some chocolate ganache that I have made for icing. We will spread it all over the brownie. So I have spread the chocolate ganache all over the brownie. Now here I am having some chocolate shavings to decorate it more. You can add sprinkles of your own choice. Now you can see I spread all the chocolate over it. Now I have decorated with some walnuts on it. Now we will cut it into small pieces. You can see as I am cutting, it is feeling so much soft. So I have cut it into pieces. Here I have served one. You can see the walnuts that we have put in our brownie. Here they are. You can see how much soft and fudgy our brownie looks. So if you like this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon.